Now to our coronavirus coverage, where today the health department confirming COVID-19 is the #1 cause of death in Fresno County in August. 152 people died. That's more than heart disease, cancer, and strokes. This grim report comes as the health department fears people will let down their guard and gather over the Labor Day weekend. Our Medeiros Babb joins us at Woodward Park with the plea to the public from health officials. Medeiros.
Well, Alex, on parks that are in the city, such as Woodward, where we're at right now, and Roding, will be open, but the playgrounds and the picnic areas will be closed. County parks like Skaggs Bridge will be at 50% capacity, and today the interim health officer with the message for the community.
I would say just cancel your plans, stay home, and keep to yourself, like I said.
Interim Health Officer Race Vora with a clear warning to the community ahead of the holiday weekend. Don't go to large gatherings or parties, especially indoors.
And we absolutely need everyone to understand how high risk that is. That is really going to undo many weeks of progress that we've been able to show with our trends.
In Fresno County, the age group with the highest number of COVID cases is 20-year-olds at around 5,300 cases since March. 30-year-olds are next in line at 4,600 cases. The mortality rate is much lower for younger adults, but Vora says the county needs to get cases down in order to reopen indoor dining and schools.
You know, I know that there's a lot of peer pressure and social pressure for young people to congregate and gather, and I know that sometimes our enthusiasm to do that leads to unsafe behaviors. This is not a time to take that chance.
In the north part of Fresno County, Skaggs Bridge, a major gathering place on weekends. Supervisor Brian Pacheco represents that district.
We'll be monitoring the traffic as they come in. We'll be limiting it to 50% capacity. We have educational materials. And we also will have a sheriff deputy checking in because, as you can imagine, some of the people are really upset when they don't get to come in.
Now, over the 4th of July weekend, there was a spike in cases. They nearly doubled in the next 2 weeks. Vora says if you absolutely have to meet with people, make sure that it is outdoors, you are socially distanced, and to have a mask. Reporting live, Medeiros Babb, KSEE 24, local news that matters.